Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a problem of calculus. What is that? We have to find the domain of definition of this function fx equal to log of 3x minus x square by 2 base 10 square root of that plus square root of x minus 3 by 2. Since x is a real variable, so fx is also real. Now obviously we can conclude that for fx to be of valid values, these two expressions which are being added to form the function, they are also have to be real. That means the entire expression has to be greater than equal to 0 and this expression also have to be greater than equal to 0. If this was less than 0, that is a negative number, then square root of a negative number would be a complex number. And same for here also, if x minus less than 3 by 2 square root of that is less than 0, then that would also be a negative number and square root of a negative number would be a complex number. So for fx to be real and x is a real variable, so this expression has to be greater than equal to 0 and this expression also has to be greater than equal to 0. Now what would be the next step so that we shall go forward to solve the domain of definition of this particular function. Now first one if I take, then I can understand that log base 10 3x minus x square by 2, it has to be greater than equal to 0. Then only square root of the expression will be a positive one or negative one, whatever. But within square root the expression must be greater than or equal to 0. Now we know that if we take log with the base 10, that means 3x minus x square by 2 will be greater than equal to 10 to the power 0, because base to the power index will be the main function. That means 10 to the power 0 equal to 1. We know anything to the power 0 is 1, which means that 3x minus x square by 2 greater than equal to 1, which implies that 3x minus x square greater than equal to 2. If I take x square this side, 3x also this side, then the step I get is that x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to less than equal to 0, because it is basically if these expressions go this side, then this side will be 0. So 0 greater than equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, which in turn can be written as x square minus 3x plus 2 less than equal to 0. Now what is x square minus 3x plus 2? I can write it as, I have to middle term factorize this function. So what I can write this? So x square minus 3x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. That means x square minus 3x plus 2 can be written as x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. That is, if I take common x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2, it is less than equal to 0 from this expression we have got. What does that mean? That means that this is a negative number. Whatever number is generated by multiplying these two functions, it must be negative. Now from this it is obvious that x is less than equal to 2 and x is greater than equal to 1. Why? Because x is greater than equal to 1 means it must be x minus 1 must be greater than equal to 0. That is a positive number, and x less than equal to 2 means x minus 2 must be less than equal to 0. It is a negative number, and positive into negative is equal to negative number. That is plus into minus equal to minus. So it is obvious from this step, the conclusion will be x is less than equal to 2 and x is greater than equal to 1. Now let us consider this expression, square root of x minus 3 by 2. For it has to be real, x minus 3 by 2 greater than equal to 0. That means x greater than equal to 3 by 2. Now if you can see, x is greater than equal to 1, x is greater than equal to 3 by 2 and x is less than equal to 2. So combining these three, I can write the entire definition of domain for this one is that 3 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 2, right? These three I am combining and I am writing the domain of definition as x is greater than equal to 3 by 2 but x will be less than equal to 2. This is why, and that is the process by which we can define the domain of definition of this function fx. Basically, domain of definition means what will be the ranges of the value of x if x is real, so that fx will be also containing the real values. By this process, we have segregated the entire function into two separate functions and find out the domains of definition 3 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. If you like this video, I will request everyone to view, watch, give your comments and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.